Good morning, my lovely kids. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe at home. Today we will start our new topic of chapter 3. The new topic is working children and leisure time. In this topic, we will learn about working children, child labor, how they work, why they work, and leisure time, how we spend our free time. So, let us start our new topic, chapter 3 Work Around Me, page number 17 Working Children. So, first of all, you understand the meaning of working children. Working children means children work anywhere. Children work anywhere for earn money. So, let us start. Some children work to earn money. These children do not go to school. They do not have the time to play and rest. This is called child labor. You all know that in the childhood age, study is very important for all the children, so that when they grow up they work and earn money. But child labor, but in childhood age some children are work and earn money, and they don't go to school. They don't go to school and they don't have the time to play and rest. They don't have friends. They don't have the time to play and rest. So these children are called child labor because they are working in childhood age. It is important for all the child to study in childhood age, so that when they grow up they work and then earn money. They earn good salary. Children go to school and learn so many new things. You also go to school regularly, and you regularly uh, learn so many new things with your study. And you all also participate in various events, various competition, which helps you in development. But some children don't get this facility from some certain reasons. Those who are belongs to poor families are, they are unable to go to school, they are unable to pay fee, they are work for their family helps. Some children have to work to add to their family income. So some children are work to add their family income. They help their family. They work as domestic helps, newspapers boys, balloons and flower sellers at dhabas and tea shops, etc. You can see in market there are so many children are working in big shops, in small shops, in showrooms, in flower shops, in green grocery shops. So you can see in market there are so many childrens they are working. So they work as domestic helps. They also do dangerous work like repair vehicles, make glass and firework, etc. And they do also dangerous work like these repair vehicles. This is very dangerous. Make glass and firework. Fire is so bad for, so dangerous for little children. This is very harmful for little children. So they are work, they all work like these works for help the family, add to their family income. Children do not get a good salary. They are not given healthy food and rest. They have to work very hard. So they work to support their family, but there are many children who work in hotels, mines, farms, factories, dhabas, and shops. They don't eat proper nutrition food. But in this age, in the growing age, they need a proper nutrition food. But they but they are not given healthy food and rest. So that's why they are very weak, and only on they are work hard all the time, they are working all that time, they are working, they don't take any rest, they don't take any holidays. So only they are work, they know only work all the time, they are working all that time, they are working. But in this age they need the proper food in this growing age, because this is the growing age, childhood age is growing age. That's why they are weak. The government has banned employment of children below the age of 14 years in factories, mines, and other dangerous places. Now, the government is strictly banned the child labor, because in the child, when the child working anywhere, the child is labor, their mind is, they are mentally and physically, they are not able to do good things. So this is badly affected the growing growth of children. That's why the government is strictly banned. So this is the good news for child labor working children. They have the support of government. So this is good news. Let's see how they are work in dangerous areas. Brick pressing, you can see both are little children, but they are work. This is the age of study, and they have the books, but they have bricks. Earth digging, washing utensils, coal mining, mopping the floor in hotels, carrying bricks. So in all these pictures you can see how they work. They are so little children, and in this age we have two books in hand, but they have all these instrument like brick crackers and all these things. But this is very bad for all these childrens. Child labor has been banned by the government. Now we start our new topic, leisure time. Everybody needs to rest and relax. The time that we spend to take rest is called leisure time. Leisure keeps us fresh and active at work. We fulfill our hobbies like reading, dancing during leisure time. This is called recreation. Families have indoor Families have different methods of recreation. Children read storybooks, listen to music, or play indoor or outdoor games. Elders watch television and chat on the telephone. Families go out to enjoy. They go for a movie, go for a fire, go on a holiday, go to the zoo, etc. They also go to restaurant, go to shopping malls, or visit friends and relatives. So you all know that you all we cannot spend all our time working and studying. We would get tired and even bored at times. So we need to do things to keep us happy. We need to enjoy ourselves. That is why we need to spend time taking part in recreational activities during our free or leisure time. There are some indoor recreational activities and outdoor activities we can enjoy. We can read storybooks, especially children's can read storybooks, and we can play indoor and outdoor games like Ludo, Carom, chess, and outdoor games like volleyball, cricket, basketball, badminton. So we can play all these games, and we can listen to music, we can paint or draw pictures. This is for especially children's. We can watch television, we can dance and sing, and there are some outdoor activities recreational, cricket, volleyball, and basketball. So We can go for swimming also. We can visit places like museum and zoo. We can play in the park also. So I hope you all understand the working children and leisure time topic. We will meet our next topic.